In order to connect Monday to Claude AI, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Claude AI like you normally would, then go to the bottom left, select on the profile picture, then select over here where it says settings. Afterwards, select here where it says connectors. Then press on browse connectors right here. And then all you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see monday.com. But if you don't see it over here, what you could always do is you could use the search bar and then type in Monday. Now, what you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and sign into your monday.com account in order to actually give permission for Claude to have access to Monday. So after you press on this plus button that says connect, it is going to prompt you to sign into your Monday account. So please go ahead and do that. All right, so it's going to open up Monday right over here. And then afterwards, you need to go ahead and log in. So I'm going to go ahead and log in really quickly. All right, and then afterwards, it's going to ask you to authorize Monday. So if you already have Monday installed, then you're going to see this button that says authorize. And then afterwards, you should be good to go. And you're able to go ahead and use Monday on Claude AI. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.